The Massachusetts Electrical Code, officially designated as 527 CMR 12, is currently based on the 2014 National Electrical Code, or NEC. This means that electrical installations and practices within Massachusetts must adhere to the regulations outlined in the 2014 NEC. It's important to note that electrical codes are subject to change and updates as new technologies emerge and safety standards evolve. Therefore, relying on outdated information can lead to non-compliance and potential hazards. Because code revisions and amendments happen, it is critical to check official sources for the latest rules and regulations before starting or modifying the installation. To determine whether a specific section, such as 680.26 from the 2005 NEC, has been deleted or modified, and whether Massachusetts is reverting to an earlier version like the 2002 NEC, consulting the official Massachusetts State Electrical Code website or contacting the Massachusetts Board of Electricians is essential. These sources provide the most accurate and up-to-date information on the specific code requirements enforced in Massachusetts. Furthermore, understanding the structure and organization of the NEC can be beneficial in navigating and interpreting its provisions. The NEC is divided into chapters, articles, and sections, each addressing a specific aspect of electrical installations. Chapters cover broad topics such as general requirements, wiring and protection, wiring methods and materials, equipment for general use, special occupancies, special equipment, and communications systems. Articles within each chapter provide more detailed requirements for specific applications or types of equipment. Sections within each article offer specific rules and regulations related to the topic at hand. For example, Article 680 of the NEC pertains to swimming pools, fountains, and similar installations, addressing the unique electrical safety considerations associated with these environments. Section 680.26 specifically deals with bonding requirements for metallic parts in and around swimming pools to minimize the risk of electric shock. Code compliance is not merely a matter of following rules, it is a fundamental aspect of ensuring electrical safety and protecting people and property from potential hazards. Proper wiring, grounding, bonding, and overcurrent protection are crucial elements in preventing electrical fires, shocks, and other dangerous situations. When working with electrical systems, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of the applicable codes and standards, as well as the potential hazards involved. Consulting with qualified electrical professionals and participating in continuing education courses can help ensure that electrical work is performed safely and in accordance with the latest requirements. Moreover, it's beneficial to understand the process by which the NEC is developed and updated. The NEC is revised every 3 years through a consensus-based process that involves input from a wide range of stakeholders, including electrical engineers, contractors, inspectors, manufacturers, and other interested parties. Proposed changes to the code are submitted, reviewed, and debated by technical committees, and public comments are solicited to ensure that the final version of the code reflects the best available knowledge and practices. This rigorous process helps to ensure that the NEC remains a relevant and effective tool for promoting electrical safety nationwide. To further clarify the role of the Massachusetts Board of Electricians, it is the state agency responsible for licensing and regulating electricians in Massachusetts. The board also plays a role in interpreting and enforcing the Massachusetts Electrical Code. Contacting the board can provide guidance on specific code requirements and interpretations, as well as information on licensing and continuing education requirements for electricians. When seeking information on electrical codes, it is essential to be aware of the potential for misinformation or outdated information from unofficial sources. Always rely on official sources such as the Massachusetts State Electrical Code website, the Massachusetts Board of Electricians, and the National Fire Protection Association (NFPA), which publishes the NEC. These sources provide the most accurate and reliable information on code requirements and interpretations. The NEC also undergoes regular revisions and updates to incorporate new technologies, address emerging safety concerns, and improve the clarity and usability of the code. These revisions are essential for ensuring that the NEC remains a relevant and effective tool for promoting electrical safety. Being aware of these updates and incorporating them into your electrical work is crucial for compliance and safety. In summary, the Massachusetts Electrical Code is currently based on the 2014 NEC. For the most up-to-date information on code requirements and interpretations, consult the official Massachusetts State Electrical Code website or contact the Massachusetts Board of Electricians. Staying informed about code updates and revisions is essential for ensuring electrical safety and compliance. The electrical codes cover a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding and bonding, equipment installation, and special occupancies. Each of these areas has specific requirements that must be followed to ensure electrical safety and compliance. Wiring methods refer to the types of conductors and cables that are permitted for use in different applications, as well as the methods for installing and supporting these conductors and cables. The NEC specifies requirements for various wiring methods, including rigid metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing, non-metallic conduit, cable trays, and flexible cords and cables. Overcurrent protection is designed to protect electrical circuits and equipment from damage caused by excessive current flow. Overcurrent protective devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to interrupt the flow of current where it exceeds a safe level. The NEC specifies requirements for the selection, installation, and coordination of overcurrent protective devices. Grounding and bonding are essential for providing a safe path for fault current to return to the source, minimizing the risk of electric shock. Grounding refers to connecting electrical equipment and systems to the earth, while bonding refers to connecting metallic parts together to create a continuous electrical path. The NEC specifies requirements for grounding and bonding to ensure electrical safety. Equipment installation covers a wide range of electrical equipment, including lighting fixtures, receptacles, switches, motors, and appliances. The NEC specifies requirements for the installation of this equipment to ensure that it is properly connected, supported, and protected. Special occupancies refer to locations that have unique electrical safety considerations, such as swimming pools, healthcare facilities, hazardous locations, and agricultural buildings. The NEC has specific requirements for these occupancies to address the unique hazards they present. Furthermore, understanding the definitions and terminology used in the NEC is essential for proper interpretation and application of the code. The NEC contains a comprehensive glossary of terms that are used throughout the code. These definitions provide clarity and consistency in the interpretation of the code requirements. In addition to the NEC, other standards and regulations may also apply to electrical installations in Massachusetts. These may include state and local building codes, as well as standards developed by organizations such as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE, and the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. Being aware of these additional requirements is essential for ensuring compliance. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, and it is not possible to cover all of its provisions in a single discussion. However, the information provided here should give you a good starting point for understanding the Massachusetts Electrical Code and its relationship to the NEC. Remember to consult the official sources mentioned earlier for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Furthermore, continuous professional development is essential for staying up to date with the latest changes and best practices in the electrical field. Attending workshops, seminars, and training courses can help you enhance your knowledge and skills and ensure that you are providing safe and compliant electrical services. Finally, remember that electrical work can be dangerous if not performed properly. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when necessary. By following the applicable codes and standards, and by exercising caution and diligence, you can help ensure the safety of yourself and others.